Podcast Affirmation back with the bang as always. Namhlanje sivakashelwe iZai. Yazi iZai a restaurant ne-representative yayo ke u-Akhona Ndlovu. uSizwe Plus igama representing i-Podcast Affirmation. Namhlanje sivakashelwe u-Akhona. Akhona, asibingelele my sister.
Sanibonani, ninjani?
Cela sami sokuqedela ukuthi iZai we-PR specialist wenzani khona.
Okay, so I'm a managing director at
Mm.
Zai, and I also do Shuti. I'm a PR. I'm your brand manager, not brand manager, brand ambassador.
Yeah, into
Yeah.
serious. By the way, umuntu ongazi ukuthi iZai restaurant itholakala kuphi uyithola kuphi?
We are based in Greyville. It's the name of the street is 50 Campbell Avenue, Morningside. It's just above Florida Road. Yes.
Umgwaqo obhizi
Yeah.
waseThekwini. Futhi ku-business iZai.
Yeah. Good business,
Ayazivumelana. But ngibona ukuthi nje before siqale ingxoxo yethu Akhona mhlambe sibe ne-understanding ukuthi ubani Akhona usuka kuphi and all that stuff. Lokho kuzosisiza sinika nesithombe kanye neZai futhi ukuqala kwayo and all that stuff.
Okay, so Akhona kaNdlovu. Ngizalelwe eMpangeni, ngakhulela la eThekwini. I'm 25 years of age. Yes.
Still young.
Very young. iZai isiqale 2022 May. 2022 May. We only have 2 years in the game. Yeah.
Injani competition?
Competition way. Good corner.
Coffee.
I'm joking, but it's fine. I mean, it's a really competition though.
I'm not sure you're hot to people who are saying I think competition is ihambela yodwa.
Yeah, I would like to say that because I feel like iZai is we have our own vibe. We unique in any other sense, you know. So that's why I feel like we don't have much competition. Just havela sodwa.
Exercise kuhlele kugcwele yazi ngeke ngibone bengifikile nami khona senendawo engemuva futhi nje engathi abantu abathize nje abasirious nama boardrooms.
Lutho, okay. iZai nje ya wonke umuntu. I think we're also trying to break the stereotype that Zai is for a certain caliber of people. Kanti, no, that's not what we're trying to promote. I think
Na-attract abantu.
we attract everyone. Zai is for everyone. Asicwasani ngokuthi uhola malini, ngokuthi unjani. Zai is just for everyone. iZai yabantu.
So bonawo nje u200 ukuspend.
Ukhona nje.
Qala kubali ukuspend iZai.
Iqala kubali.
Sithi izinto ezisabisayo understand uyafika aba price yo awu accommodating kwezinye indawo. I'm not too sure of iZai. But tell me.
That's what I'm trying to promote and push, that iZai is for everyone. So wena no 250 wakho. No 300 wakho, we appreciate it. Siyabonga support nanokuthi nje usikhethile ukuthi uzospenda leyo madlana yakho nathi. It's all appreciated. So with your 250 you can get we also have specials.
Yeah.
We also have specials where we have 50 rand.
You got a happy hour.
That's the happy hour. I need to nyala. We have specials. We have cocktails for 50 rand and sushi for 50 rand every Monday and Wednesdays. See, 50 rand again.
Yeah, when I was young, and futhi awuyikanye yabo uyobhidelela ngo250 wakho. Ukazophatha umuntu.
Yebo, i-date.
Kazosayela
Today.
But insuku zakhona easy place.
That's on Mondays and Wednesdays. And we also have a bottomless mimosa brunch for 250, which thola lapho i-breakfast yakho and your bottomless mimosas for 250. Mangithi bottomless sengisho ukuthi ayipheli. Uthi uyiqeda ubuthelenge.
Nami ngiyibuza nje ukuthi ukhuluma ngani-ke.
I-bottomless shithi ayipheli nje.
Mtshele eZai kuvulwe nini kuvalwa nini and all that stuff nanokudla enikuprovidayo ikuphi?
Okay, so basically what we wanted to do was introduce cuisine in Argentinian cuisine. But then someone would no man, can't it? We have a different variety. So I think with what we've done with the menu is that we've introduced a lot of things to accommodate the variety and the manifestation. So we've put things like your lamb curry or your chicken curry, just to accommodate it because space night and it
Yeah,
yeah,
true,
but so
true.
people really do appreciate ukudla kwasekhaya, but a
So
well
lokweZulu,
prepared.
lokwesintu
Asinakho ukudla
anakho.
kwesintu, unfortunately, but then we do try ngabo lemkhade kanje. What was the question again? Sorry.
Bengi-check-a nje ukuthi
Oh, the
ukudla
times also.
ukuthi and nanesikhathi-ke ukuthi kuvulwa nini kuvalwa nini and all that stuff, yabo.
Okay, so ezayo kuvula u-7 because we also have breakfast ekuseni. So your breakfast is from 7
7
to
ekuseni.
7, yes. From 7 to 11. And then after we have lunch.
So anihluphi ngokuthi enivula ngo-11, I understand. Ubona ukuthi ufuna ekuseni ukuza e-restaurant ethize only to find ukuthi no bavula ngabo-11.
No. Sivula nje ngo-7. Siyabathanda abantu bama-meeting. Abantu abazoba bama-meeting e-restaurant, so we also accommodate them.
And abantu bebebuka izayi babuka la ngaphambili as if kuphelela la ngaphambili. Oyichaze izayi ngabona senginezinye izinto.
Okay, so Ezai, we've got 4 sections. So we have the main restaurants, which I feel like that's more like it's simpler. It's the normal formal restaurants where the music is not too loud. We don't play music that's sort of like like your piano, your loud music. So in the main restaurant, people get to have normal conversations. There's no smoking. Meetings, it's very formal. And then we have our outside area where we allow smoking for consumers be happy. Happy. Bakhona. And then we have a village section. Village section is we have like, you know, the upbeat music also, just to accommodate a crowd that bafuna ukuthi izodance but also bafuna ukudla. It's a mixture. It's a mixture. So we have that. There's also Habli that side, and then we have our presidential suite. So if presidential suite is for people that want to host conference. Oh, sorry. Before we have the presidential suite, we have a conference room. So a conference room, it's basically a boardroom, so people can host my graduation, my birthday parties, but we don't allow baby showers, unfortunately. And that accommodates 15 people. You don't have to pay a certain amount. It's just maybe your deposit of 1,000 rand. And then we have your set menu, which you can choose between menu like 350 or 550. Is in the boardroom. And then the presidential, that's where it gets a bit difficult. That's for the certain type of people, who don't want to be seen. But it's also everyone is welcome to book, but there's just a minimum expenditure.
I think so. Lapho before, yes.
Presidential.
I think so, yes. Because a friend of mine ends a birthday. Understand? Ifuna abantu abathize luckily. Ngaba obutye walabo bantu. Nga-enjoy, especially ukudla kwakhona kwakusharp kakhulu. By the way, sikhuluma no akhona Ndlovu from one of the managers zalaphana eZai restaurant. iZai ke ilaphana ngasegarage elidumile. Angithi
Iliphi igarage elidumile?
Garage laphana eduze or ayingithi ilaphana ngase bizwa ngani le mall laphana.
Angifuna ukuthi Games because Games
Games sebashintsha lo.
Ise yes, yona. But I'll just say Clarence, the school, the primary school. Clarence, it's just opposite Clarence.
Yeah. Ungakhohlwa usilandela ema-page ethu-ke ama-page ethu Facebook page. Ngiyakutshela nje akhona la esikhomanda khona 2.7 million people abasilandelayo. Yazi iyadeserve i-round of applause le. And then sibese singene futhi nalaphana kwi YouTube uzosithola nakhona lesikhulumayo manje uzoyibona nje ku-YouTube ey'nsukwini ey'ngingakhi uzoyibona ikhona-ke. Sikhuluma nayo akhona Ndlovu esitshela ngezayi-ke, usitshela everything ngezayi. By the way, this one is probably brought to you by Izayi Restaurant elaphana eMorningside, and Izayi ifike yakhipha everyone on check. Angithi?
Yeah.
Bayazi ngiyayibuza ukuthi niyasho yini ukuthi ngifuna labo sisi abahle, ngisafe ukuthi ngeza nefro yami?
How 100% safe. Kanjani manje?
Angazi, ngiyabona iy'ngane laphana ezinhle kube sengathi nje kuthiwa nje
Sengathi siyakhetha.
ngathi kuyakhethwa. Oyichaze le nenza kanjani u-Attractor, especially labo sisi nje laba baya khona?
Honestly, in all honesty, I don't think contest yenzayo. I just think osisi bayayithandela indawo enhle.
Kudla ubhuti abanjani?
And ukudla okuright, ba-right. Ba-right.
Bayakhokha labo bhuti.
Abantu bakhokha indawo. Ukuphuma kwakho kuphuma ku-restaurant, uphuma ukuyokhokha. Ayikho ngakhokhi nginamanga.
I know, qinisile. But ama-prize, itshwala and all the stuff, yini ngenza ukuthi ngisuke nje nami ngithi machithe ngicela sihambe sisezayi. Eyi kodwa i-outcome eyithandani izayi kule show. Hayi, vele kuyiwe ezayi. Angazi ukuthi namjova ngani.
No, abantu, I genuinely feel like people are comfortable. Especially abantu abamnyama like us, we want a place where we just gonna be comfortable. It's not too strict on clothing. It's nje kune variety. There's different sections. And ukudla. I feel like that's the only thing.
Ishoti yangani?
Ukudla. Angithi?
Amashoti angani?
Yes, ama-shots ayangena. That's why I said we're not too strict on. But now you're like as someone that I don't think so. Shot no fat. You somehow need to.
What's your all-star? Like my all-star.
No, we're not too straight on that. We're not too
as long as you're prepared to spend.
It's not about spending. As long as we're prepared to have a good time and have good food and good drinks.
Uyayizwela ukuthi onjani umuntu oqualify ezayi onjani ongaqualify. I don't think ukuthi usumshilo ukuthi lo hayi no akangini lo no asimdinga umuntu kanje. Okwamanje uzamukela wonke umuntu.
Yes.
Oyimisele ngoba umnandi.
Yes.
Yeah, izayi ifike kwazakala yazi. Ngiyathuka ukuthi lenza kanjani ukuthi abantu bayithande kanje izayi ngoba bayayithanda yazi. Boze eThekwini nje ungakhulumi ngezayi awakasho lutho. Have you noticed?
Yeah. Siyabonga. Siyabonga eThekwini kakhulu.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And nisanda kuna ni-award lapha ka-tourism. Lento engishoyo angiqamba manga yabo. I think bese ngithi nifakazele na uwini award kusho something lokho. Kwakwenze njani wini award?
So it was for Emerging Business Award. Best shooting ngoba sis we have 2 years. Siqalile shuthi babona i-growth yethu basically how fast it was and the impacts umsindo nje ocreatile eThekwini. So I think the award was for that, just to recognize us and put us in the spot amongst other possibilitating restaurants.
So niyaba invite abasuka outside Durban, outside KZN, outside South Africa and stuff like that. Ukuthi bafike bazo-enjoy. Kosi ngizama ukucheck-a njalo i-program eninayo for uDecember. Yabo uDecember izikhathi zenjabulo.
I think a lot of people ba confused abacabanga ukuthi we host. We don't host. We don't host. Izayi has been so fortunate with marketing, word of mouth, meaning we don't have to host a certain celebrity or we inviting certain people. They come to us. Baza kuthina nje ngaleyo
lifestyle.
Thina nje siphusha umsebenzi, ukudla konke lokho. We don't host. We don't say ngoba uzabani. We don't host. We have been lucky and very fortunate that people bayayizela and it's word of mouth. It's a word of mouth. Emsebenzi ethu yayikhulumela. Our work speaks best for us.
Asizi ngoba khona u-DJ.
No.
U-DJ othize or artist elithize.
No.
Okay, mhlambe one day kuyobabiza.
No. Asithe naye kwamanje.
Nzipho kwamanje.
Sehappy kakhulu.
Izayi, why izayi?
What do you mean?
Why nithi izayi?
What is I?
Mm.
So to be quite honest, the word Zai means a golden egg in Tsonga.
Oh.
It means a golden egg.
Isuka kwintsonga thing. Iyazihamba yezwa.
Shona or Tsonga, I'm not too, I think I'm getting confused there, but it's between Shona and Tsonga.
I know kumnandi. I think njengoba ngisho nje ngizokusho lokho repeatedly because I've been there and nga-enjoya every moment of it. Ngangihamba ne-fro, yazi.
Yabona-ke. Yawonke umuntu.
And angithwalanga kanzima, yazi. I was very strong that day because ngangibabona osisi abahle njengawe. Bathi ngisithikile kwi-fro. Ngaphandle kokuphazamisana. Ezokuphepha injani?
Ezokuphepha.
Sengiyasuka-ke mina-ke eLimpopo ngithi ngifuna nje ukuthi ngidlule ezayi because I think iyayimakhetha. Uthe iyayimakhetha? Isiyimakhethe kakhulu. So omunye umuntu uthi nje bengize eDurban ngifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi ngiyadlula ezayi. You understand? Yini engidlulisa ezayi?
Yini into engidlulisa ezayi?
Yeah.
Nangu usuyisho le iyayimakhetha. Iyakubiza ulele embhedeni. Ikuvuse.
So abantu abahle bahamba ezayi.
So abantu abahle, I think it's just the place nje, the place, the service, the food, nje.
And especially service, eh?
Service. We are nothing without service.
And banana abantu bakhona, eh?
Of course.
Batrainiwe.
Yes, everyone is trained. From the kitchen to the security outside, everyone is trained.
Not Dave.
Dave is Dave
Dave
Chatey is very popular.
Amongst some revelers. Angazi kanjani nje bayamthanda baba.
He's a very nice guy.
Is it?
A very accommodating face.
Oh, mina ngimbonele lapha. By the way, ungakhohlwa ukuthi ulike ama pages ethu, ulike, usubscribe. Ngicela nawe ulike, usubscribe before. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi le episode namhlanje uyilethelwa iZai Restaurant. That is why sikhuluma ngeZai kakhulu ukuze uthi bosuyizayi une-understanding of what is happening lapha. Ungagcina utheorize ukuthi mhlawumbe but angithi ngiyamgqugquzela umuntu ukuthi ngene uyibonele.
Yes.
Uzocabanga ukuthi accommodate kanti nawo phakathi kulabantu. Yabona?
Must judge.
Please don't judge. Yes, kubalulekile ukuthi ngempela ukuthi uyizwele wena ubusuya kongena ezayo. Parking and everything, tell me.
Parking. We do have parking. We do have parking. We do have security, 24-hour security.
Ababheke imoto safe.
Yes, people also.
So angazi nibe ne-incident ethi nje ngiphume iwedilabe amaphara selishayile or anawo amaphara place.
I don't think ukuthi amaphara I control it. But I don't think if there was an incident that was able to happen ukuthi manje umuntu uyaphuma useshayele imoto. I don't think it's in our control. But with having the security there 24-hour, we do try and minimize anything like that to happen.
Ezigcina ngitshela khona ukuthi lapha nabengezayi ngiyangena ngo7 ngingaphuma bani mhlawumbe khona uthi ngiyafeel ukuthi ngathi ayisikuyavalwa ezayi ngikhuluma ngabo 11 ebusuku only to find ukuthi mhlawumbe bengisesegreen ukuthi ngabathatha abangani bami siyohlala ezayi ungena ngobani uphuma ngobani anivumela abantu ngasikhathi sini.
Sesabana inkinga le. Isikhathi sokuvala ezayi 2.
2 ekuseni.
Yes, so 2 ekuseni. So 2 ekuseni, but we find that people are coming in ngo-12. Abantu befika ezayi ngo-12. Yabo, so it becomes a bit harder to just sigcine iy'khathi, but 2 is the time. 2 is the time sokuvala ezayi. And we can't necessarily xosha umuntu awukwazi xosha umuntu. I mean, they're spending their own money, but the time to close, the closing of the store is 2, and then one kitchen 1.
I know, I think kusuke right. Ngo-2 usuke usu-right.
After
Ngoba
number
phela
5.
angithi ekugcineni kufanele abantu bebehlanganile. Bebehlanganile la bahlangane khona kufanele kubuye kuyoqhutshekwa somewhere. So it's better u-2 o'clock usuke usakunika isikhathi hambani yabo.
Yeah.
So nje kuba yeah I think u-2 fair.
2 is fair kodwa abantu abathanda ukuhamba ezayo.
Akuhambeki zayo.
Akuhambeki.
Ngiyasipenda ezayo bafethu. Kumnandi.
Hospitality number 1.
Hayi ngifuna nje ukubuza into eyithize before sivale. By the way, sihleli no-Akhona Ndlovu esike siyikhulu eziphezulu zasezaya. Ngiyibeka kahle ngesiZulu.
Okay.
Esike uyisikhulu esithize ezaya. Why ube trying to be modest about it? You don't want to say it loud. Ukuthi hayi no, yes I am.
Okay, ngishisa am.
Hayi kumnandi. Ngicela ukuthi nami ngize ezayi next. Iluphi usuku la kumnandi khona kwangempela? Weekend or during the week? I can just come on a Monday or Wednesday. Which one is better?
I wanna ezayi kumnandi from Monday to Sunday.
Oh, Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
Niyavula na Sunday?
Ngiyavula Sunday. Every day.
So manje basithola nini isikhathi sokuresta abasebenzi bakhona?
We have shifts. Kunama shift. So it's not like umuntu ungena nje. No, there's different times. So whoever's opening Izolo is not gonna open the next day. So people have shifts and kunama off. I think we have enough staff who see batholama off in between.
By the way, this one is probably brought to you by Izaya Restaurant. Lapana a Morningside. I think mhlawumbe vele usishaya nge-address nje ephelele nje ukuthi Izaya is situated kuphi ngase-Clarence. Angazi ithini i-address yakhona.
Address ithi 50 Campbell Avenue, Morningside. Abanye abantu banokulahleka, so I best describe discover ngithi just after Greyville, the race course.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ngasemahashini. For sure niyawathola ama-gig after Mahashe. I mean, hayi ama-gig niyabathola abantu abasuke eMahashini ngobani konini le July.
July, yes we do.
For sure kuyabhukhwa kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi.
Yes.
Basuke laphana bahambe ngeenyawo futhi beze khona.
Angiboni ukuthi abantu bethu abantu abathanda ukuhamba ngeenyawo.
I see. So ngitshela ithini service ngifike ezayi vele i-watering hole vele. So bengifike ezayi mina sengibona ukuhamba uthola ukuthi akusekho right esimweni sokudrive and stuff. Ikhona i-service eniyiprovidayo in as far as that is concerned? Or sayibonela?
Usually, it's very sad to witness, ne? But usually we don't have e-service kanjalo. But then there's an app called Road Trip. I do recommend it to a lot of customers where imoto khona at the place. Then they drive your car. I'm not too sure, but then it's a service where they cater for umuntu osethanda uqhuba nimbuzo. There's a app. Yes, there's an app. But yeah, it's just unfortunate, But even if imoto, I think your car will be in safe hands.
But I think abantu abaphuza ezayi ba responsible.
Very responsible.
Bayabona bese
very responsible.
Chemically inconvenienced. Bayabona babese beya lokho. Nanokuthi futhi I'm sure nje abakhuthaza ukuthi if ever bayaphuza bahambe no driver ongaphuza. Abe khona udriver ongaphuza uzoyizelela ukudla nje kwasezayi. Kuthi bese khamba yena athatha imoto adrive. Yabona?
Yeah, We do. Phela there's only so much you can say. There's only so much you can say.
to them?
There's only so much you can say. And sometimes you never know ukuthi umuntu uhamba nobani kanjani. So thola ukuthi omunye uhambela ngo-Uber. You never phela we don't asigade usuke endlini uye esitolo. You know, there's only so much we can do.
So ngiphindela imenyu abangayithola bebezizayo nje ukuthi ehalisayo sizayo ongakaze afike. Ngiyambona lo osevele oseshintshile.
Okay, I think our best dish would definitely be the meat. Because the open grill uma ungena nje restaurant lapha uyabona ekitchen sokungathi uyabona impela bepheka. So that's also one of our things. It's an open grill. I think the meat would definitely be one of our best dishes. And there's different kinds of meats also. You get your sirloin, you get your fillet, you get your tomahawk. There's different kinds of meats, yeah.
Manje no-chef aba-professional.
Yes, we have professional chefs.
Abayile esikoleni lendawo. Safe.
Yes.
People basizayo.
But I think most of them have been in the industry of hospitality for more than 15 years. 15 years, because even Dave has been in hospitality for quite a long time.
Okay. Mhlawumbe ama-toilet nawo asezingeni yonke leyo nto phela nalezo zinto ziya-count.
Ama-toilets, yeah. So it's not that ukuthi you need training for cleaning necessarily, but you do need training for the chemicals that you use. So i-chemical yasekitchen angiyifani ne-chemical yase-toilet. Kufanele kube khona umehluko neyase-floor kanjani just for also safety hazards also. So they do have that kind of training coming from thola ukuthi we have a supplier who's supplying us with this the cleaning equipment or the chemicals. So they'll usually provide those short courses chemical. So the course is just training.
Okay. So akhona ama-screens nje let's say sithole sisezayo kudlala amabhokobhoko noma i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sithole sihleli sifuna ukubona ibhola kushiwo ukuthi awekho ama-screens for, I understand. Akhona
ama-screen, but then remember we're not a sports bar, so it's not a big screen. It's a regular screen. It's a regular screen. We have that in the garden, say a village, and in the presidential as well.
Ngiyayizwa. Mhlawumbe thina ama-parting shots.
Ama-parting shots.
Concluding remarks nje ngizayi.
From me.
Yeah, from you.
Okay. Ake ngithi abantu ngicela bafike bezozibonela bona. It's good to experience. It's a great experience from the service to the food to the vibe. And ngicela ukusaba, please please ngicela ukusala, come and support. I think coming from us as we are very grateful with the opportunity, with what Durban has done for us, coming from totally nowhere. I mean, also the location of the place is quite Iseqeleni, so I think we're also very grateful for Durban for supporting us, and for just the support. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's well received from us, so I think we are very, very grateful in that sense. Yeah.
Bongazi ukuthi ungaya kuphi buseDurban, make it a point ukuthi uyavaya laphana eZai hayi bayithanda abantu. I think I'm one of those as well abayithandayo, especially but mina ngiyithanda kakhulu bengihamba nomuntu wami yasifro.
That's also good. Yeah,
angazi inginika i-peace vele ngiye khona, angihesitate nje vele ngiyezayo ngiyoyiblomela khona, and then into engichazayo bakhona la majethi abhekane ney'moto. Yeah, but yazi ngikhona into engifuna ukuyi-check-a ey'ncane kuma-hot takes. Ngiyazi ukuthi ani-provide le service engibuzayo-ke manje, but usaphotani, Chiefs or Pirates?
Hey, ngisupport i-Chiefs.
Sisonke
Hey,
lapho.
James.
Sisonke
Yeah,
lapho.
James.
So umuntwana sunset or sunrise?
Sunset.
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 If uphuma uprefera uphi ukudla wasema-restaurant or mhlampe okuphekwe ekhaya?
Hey, mina ngiyathanda ukuziphekela Nkosi yami. So my cooking. And obviously nasezayo.
Are you married or struggling? Still
I-
struggling?
I'm still struggling and I'm 25. I'm not
Still
married.
okay.
I'm still okay. He's
Not
like,
even looking. But you can't look.
no.
Akunabantu abezizayi, angithi vele ukhona izayi.
Damn.
No, ucovered-ke kusho ukuthi laphana izayi nje uyababona.
Hey, okay.
Akhona ama-possibility ukuthi ngingayithola bo-single uyitholele umuntu ezayi. Zenza into enjalo.
Kodwa umuntu uma usumthole noma ngephi umthole ngisho uhamba emgaqweni. Wena isigaqo. So
But ezayo kunama-chances amaningi.
yeah, I guess so. I guess.
No, ngiyakuzwa. Hayi, no, angicabanga ukuthi bathini, unlimited wine or unlimited coffee?
Unlimited coffee.
Coffee.
Yes.
Okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu akhona ukuthi usivakashele namhlanje kube yintokozo ukuthi sibe nawe nalesi episode ize ngezayi restaurant. Ngiyasupporta nama-podcast as well. Kumnandi.
Kakhulu.
Athemba ukuthi sophinde sikubone or mhlampe bedila something ngiyophinde mhlampe safaya izivakashelo ezayo yabo as i-production nje siyovakashela ezayo sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani sithathe ney'thombe.
No problem. We'd appreciate it so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu khona.
Okay, nathi siyabonga.
Don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. This one was proudly brought to you by Izai Restaurant, Lapana, a Morningside. Thank you once more.
Thank you.
So.